Okay, this morning what I want to talk about is the Horry County transfer facilities. Big question that I see with new people coming in is what about trash pickup, recycling, things like that. Most HOAs and places like North Myrtle Beach proper have trash pickup, but for those that don't, we have transfer stations, and I think there's about 5 or 6 around the county. Great part about these, they take just about everything. Garbage, bulky items, they'll take cooking oil, motor oil, recyclables, they take everything. And their hours are fantastic. They're open Monday, Tuesday, 7 to 5:30, Thursday, Friday, 7 to 5:30, open Saturdays, even Sunday afternoons from 1 to 7. So very convenient. The only day that they're off is Wednesdays. So if you want a place to bring your garbage, not pay a hauler, bring your recyclables, this is a great spot. And like I say, they're scattered all around the county, so very convenient. So that's it. Hopefully you enjoyed today's Horry County tip. So talk to you soon.